You got games on your phone. Guys, we just messed up the truck a little bit after the great night that we were about to have here at Great Dragway for testing for the race this Saturday that they're having a local A64 shootout. We had lowered it down. We took all the weight out of it from the no prep scene and got it back to not wheelie, so to speak, and be able to get a good 60 foot. And well, it went straight to the bumper. And I pedaled it in the sense that I let off a little bit and let it go out there, but I thought it was coming out a lot faster than it actually was. And so I was gonna give it a little bit more throttle, and when I did, it was enough throttle to kick the nitrous back on, and it sent it right back up. And I just pretty much panicked and let out completely. And we broke the rack and pinion, and the tire hit one of the O2 sensors, and it may have dented the pan a little bit. It's hard to tell right now. We'll end up getting up on the lift up here and assessing the damage a little bit more and seeing actually what happened and what's wrong with it. From the looks of it right now, it's not very bad. But got some good in-car footage and some good out-car footage, and I hope y'all enjoy it. And talk to y'all later. God, Monty. Damn, that hurt. Oh, that chunk fucking sucked.
Good job, Brandon.
Oh! Back up.
Back.
Sit.
Alright, ready? Here we go.
Oh my God.
Alright. Go. You got it. Come on.
You got the little loaded golf cart.
Oh, dang. Come on, alright.
There you go.
And, oh, yes, it's hard. Look about almost like my wheel bearing.
The shop.
The shop, look. Shop. I don't see nothing bent on the tower.
They sit right here.
This thing, yeah.
Alright guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed the footage that we were able to capture of this insane wheelie that I've yet to experience, and now I guess I have. I'll show you how I fix it and what I do and things I had to buy to fix it, and make some videos out of that. And I appreciate y'all watching, and like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all.